Hello friends, I welcome you all to our YouTube channel The Acute Traders. Friends, this video is I am recording in English. For the videos I have already recorded, the two videos I recorded earlier, that is the three sheets for first step and the rollover data for October series. I am recording this video in English for our English user friends. So before proceeding further, we have a disclaimer that the data discussed in the video is for educational purpose. You may agree or disagree with our analysis or the data. Before taking any position, please contact your financial advisor. So friends, let's begin our video. So first of all, I would like to show you our future analysis rollover data sheet. The rollover data sheet we prepared on every month end. Like we are preparing the sheet since the last 5 months, and we have also compiled the data. So how will we prepare the sheet that we have taken? So what are the data we take to prepare the sheet? First, I'll tell you that. So on 27th August, the future contract for 27th August has expired. So we have taken the data for the date of 27th August for next month trading, that is 24th September. Uh, I mean to say that on the date of 27th August, at what value of open interest I would start trading for 24th September expiry, that is our first data. And for that, and since the on 24th September the contract for September series has ended, so we will check the data for the on the date of 24th September, what is the value of open interest and price for the next series data. Like what I want to convey you ki we are comparing the open interest data on the very first day of trading on the for the next series. Like for 27th August we would be starting for 24th September series, so we have taken data for that. And for 24th September we are starting for October series, October expiry series, so we have taken data on closing basis. So with this data we compare the roll percentage, we compare the data, we have taken the negative value and we have compared the data that how much is the value of open interest we are going to start with. This is the only analysis I am doing with rollover percentage. Like for 27th, for the date of 27th we have taken data for 24th September, for the date of 24th September we have taken data for the 29th August series. And the last thing in the data is we are comparing the symbols as well. Like if any contract would be added, deleted, so we will take the data in this way as well. Let us start. So we will also compare, like I'll tell you, if if for example ACC would be trading on 24th September series, but would also but if ACC would delete it and will not trade for 29th August, so in the 29th August series we will not have data for ACC. So how will we check that? How will we check that ACC has been deleted? So we will compare the ACC data. So I'll tell you later that how it could be compared, but this is the only sheet we prepare, and this sheet is available in the description box of the video as well. So you can download the sheet from here. Further, we'll check what are the other datas in the sheet. So we are having closing price on 27th August for 24th September expiry. We are having 24th September. We are having closing price of 29th October expiry. So we have compared the prices on close to close basis. The other thing I have added the index and the high low range and body percentage. Friends, this body percentage has been added for the first time, and I will tell you how will I analyze this data. So friends, in the data we have shared the range, that is the monthly high-low range of the particular script. That is for, if we say Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty made a high of 25270 on the monthly basis, and for the low it is 20442, and the body percentage it made is dot minus 66%. Friends, I would like to tell you that the high and low price has been taken from 28th September to 29th October series. And if we see the charting softwares, we will have the open low price candlestick ranges from first of every month. So you will get some misinterpretation of the data. So you will check it as well. So the body percentage is the body percentage is the open to low body made by the candle on that particular range. So if you understand the data, then I'll tell you how will I analyze. So I have made the body percentage from large to small. So I have checked that Apollo Hospital is having 75% body in the monthly basis, and it is also having 17% close to 17% price change from close to close basis, and the rollover is 24%. That means if we, on for the 24th September series, if we have started with this number, so for the 29th October series, we have started with the good number, that is 24% increase in open interest we have started with. So if that means the Apollo Hospital is having a good long build up. Long build up is because there is a build up, there is a price change on close to close basis, there is a body percentage which shows the good body percentage on the monthly basis. So by having the three data, by having the filters on these three datas, rollover percentage, change percentage, and body percentage, I can conclude that Apollo Hospital will go up on the monthly basis as well. So we can also check data for Mindtree, that is 20% increase, change close to close basis 8% and 54%. 54% is something like the mid. So if the Mindtree if started making more open interest on the weekly basis, on the daily basis, so we will conclude that Mindtree will go on the higher side. Like friends, on the lower side, if we check, if we have if we have Shri Cement, that is minus 96% body, it has closed at somewhere 18449, which is very close to the low of the monthly series. So Shri Cement is having good open interest, Shri Cement is having negative close to close basis, and Shri Cement is having negative body percentage. Negative body percentage means bearish candle, positive body percentage means bullish candle. So it is having negative percentage. So if we check the Shri Cement data, so friends, if we check the Shri Cement data on the monthly basis, this candle is, we are having a 58% but open interest included in this candle on the monthly basis. So if we check more data on the comparison sheet, our next comparison sheet, we have data in the comparison sheet of the, we have the historical data for June, July and August. We have the rollover percentage comparison, that on September series we are having a rollover percentage like this, and for October we are having a rollover percentage like this. So we can filter on our analysis basis. If we want to check the rollover percentage on increasing basis, we will check like that. If we want to check on other basis, we will filter on our analysis. So if we check Shri Cement, so friends, Shri Cement is having open interest build up from September to October series. So Shri Cement could follow the trend, whatever trend it has in the last month, that is the bearish. That is our view. So we can also check the data for Power Grid, that is having 78% open interest built up with negative price change and negative body percentage, very strong body percentage. We will check data for ITC as well. The ITC is a very good stock for investors. So we will, ITC is having 24% open interest with negative close to close basis with negative 87% change in body. So if we compare the data for ITC, so if we compare the data for ITC, we can conclude that from August itself, ITC is having good open interest, and for the series of October, ITC has also made the good open interest inbuilt in it. So ITC should continue the trend, whatever the content is from the October series. So let us check the graph for ITC. So ITC is having very good negative candle. These 2 months ITC is having open interest build up. So we can conclude the open interest has been built for short for short build-up. So if we check ITC data on daily basis candle, and if we want to detail more detailed analysis for ITC, we can do one thing. We can check ITC data on daily basis. So if we check the ITC data on daily basis on the September series, so we will check that at what dates ITC has built up data like this. So 11% build up in ITC is on 16th September, 25% of build up in ITC is on 23rd September. So if we check the both dates on the chart, that is the 16th September, this candle is for 16th and this candle is for 23rd. So if we add our analysis that on 23rd September ITC has added a good open interest that confirms as a short build up, so high of this candle or the closing of this candle should be defended. So the high of this candle, that is 177.55, should be defended, and for that purpose I will write a bear call spread on that particular strikes, provided premiums are good. So this is the type of analysis I would like to do, and this is the type of analysis we can do with our rollover sheet. This sheet is available in the description box of the video, and I would like to end this video, part 1 of the video. Now the next part of the series of the video is, I would like to tell you the this video, 3 sheets for first step. So friends, what is the 3 sheets for first step? So we have prepared the future macro. We have prepared a future macro. Future macro is what? How to use this macro we have written in here. So I have provided this macro for free for, as I promised, for I have promised for 100 people, for our 100 members, 100 friends. I have promised to share this data, and out of them, as of now I am recording the video, I have already mailed to up to 65 members this sheet. So only 35 members I would like to share it for free. So friends, how to use this future sheet is written here, and I would also like to show you a demo of the sheet. This is the Bhav copy data for 25th September series. How to download the Bhav copy, you can Google it, or I'll tell you in the later. So if we have the data, uh, how to download the Bhav copy, I also would like to tell you. I have given a description link here to download derivative Bhav copy from NSE. We can click, this is the link for old website. So we can click here and I'll show you. So the page is open for NSE website. We go to the derivative Bhav copy. This is the Bhav copy file. And if we want to download the historical, so we will go to the historical reports. We will select a Bhav copy here. We will select the date and we'll get the data. So this kind we can download the Bhav copy. Once the Bhav copy is downloaded, what I'll do is I'll copy the Bhav copy, complete Bhav copy. I will paste the Bhav copy in the raw sheet in the A1 column, A1 cell, and just I'll click this button, future macro. The future macro runs. And future macro has processed the data. What the data is processed is that the data has given us the body percentage in addition. The data has given the cumulative open interest. The data has given the cumulative open interest change percentage in addition. The data has given the change percentage of open interest in addition. So we will have this kind of data in our this future macro Bhav copy, and the data will process only 149 rows. So out of that I only need 139 rows. So what I can do is I can delete the rows if I don't want it. Yes, I don't want it. So I have deleted the sheet. What I will do is next is I will copy this data on my other sheets and I will process this data on my further formulas and further my analysis part. So this is the first sheet I am sharing with you, and I have shared already with a lot of members. The next sheet I am sharing with you is the future of this analysis sheet. The whatever the data we have, we take the data in sheet 1, and with the sheet 1 and on the basis of formulas, we have the historical presentation of open interest of this data in this format, in the date formats like that. So we will select the script here, like if I write Nifty So if I write Nifty, so it has shown us the Nifty presentation here. So I can conclude easily with the data here. So I'll share this sheet with you. I am preparing this sheet for sharing purpose, so it takes some time. But for now onwards, for further I will share the sheet. The third sheet I would like to share is the option charting sheet. Option charting sheet. For option charting sheet, we need to do one more thing. We will come in the row data sheet. We will select option OPT IDX and OPT SDX. Okay, and we will go to the value and we will deselect 0. So we are having only 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. We can also do one thing, since we don't need much data, so we will select October only. So this way we have very few number of data. We copy this data, come in database, below the instrument, that is B2 column, B2 cell. We copy this data for 25th. Now come in the analysis sheet, write at 25th. Sorry, this is 20 expiry. Wait a moment. Yes, expiry is 29th October. We are having data for 29th October, and we have taken Nifty. So we add here 11,000, and this is data for 25th. So like this, we have data like this in the options charting. So we will add the values here. Plus minus 100 is the strikes we would like to check. So we are having data for call and put. For the put call ratio is here, change in call and change in put. And in the graphical presentation, we will add more data as per our analysis and our data sheet. So I would like to share this sheet with you. There is some more work. I will add the option charting and future sheet in one sheet. Then I will share it with you. But for till now, I have shared the future macro sheet with all our friends, and more 35 sheets I will share with you all. So what you need to do is you need to fill the form available in the description of this video, or the I will add the form in the description of this video as well. I will load. So you will need to fill the form, then I will mail you the sheets. So friends, I have recorded the video in English for rollover and the 3 sheets here. So I complete the recording. Thank you. Thanks for watching accutrader@gmail.com. We are having a mail ID. You can follow us on Twitter @AccuTrader, and our Telegram channel, the AccuTrader. Our Telegram channel chat is also available. The link is available in description box. Thank you, friends.